Hello friends, the role of teachers in society. Teachers are the real nation builders, the silent architects who shape the destiny of a country by shaping the character of its youth. They are rightly called the guiding lights of society, for they remove the darkness of ignorance with the torch of knowledge. It is fact that doctors save lives, engineers build bridges, and scientists make discoveries, but behind all of them stands the hand of a teacher who first opened their mind to learning. As the famous saying goes, the influence of a teacher can never be erased. A true teacher does not merely fill the minds of students with facts, but sows the seed of discipline, honesty, and respect in their hearts. He polishes raw talents and turns them into shining gems. It is through the patient guidance of teacher that ordinary students children become extraordinary leaders. In this sense, teachers are the engineers of human souls. Without them, society will remain in the darkness of illiteracy, for education is the ladder to progress. The teachers are the ones who hold this ladder for us to climb. Time and again, history has proved that nations rise and fall on the quality of their teacher. A dedicated teacher can inspire a generation to dream big and work hard, while careless teacher can ruin the future of thousands. That is why it is said, one child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. To respect a teacher is to respect knowledge itself. They sacrifice their time, energy, and sometimes even personal comfort to enlighten others. They guide like parents, discipline like guardians, and inspire like heroes. Truly, teacher is not just a profession, it is a scared mission. In the end, it will not be wrong to say that teachers are the backbone of any society. They shape minds, build character, and pave the way for progress. They deserve love, honor, and respect at every stage of life because their service is greater than gold and their influence is eternal. Teachers indeed are the touch barriers of civilization and the real builders of nation. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Keep growing.